Hey, what's up guys, Ross RC here. I just finished running my Outcast. Like I said in my other video, got this guy used. Just did the first run on it. It was great. I had a lot of fun. This guy is amazing. It jumps so well. It's very consistent, handles very well. Unfortunately, at the end of the run, I started hearing some gear grinding noises that I knew was either spur, the pinion, or even the diff. Quickly checked out the spur. Looks decent. So I'm gonna do a little post-run inspection to see what actually happened, and I definitely stripped something. I have a feeling it's the differential. So let me take a look. Yeah, this guy's too big. So good way to check your differential is the front to back shouldn't be able to spin in a different direction, and I'm able to do that. So I think the diff is gone. One of the diffs is gone. I can't tell which one. I did a quick Google search on the forum. People say the front usually goes first. I don't know if that's the case. I don't know if I stripped the gears or the cup came loose or whatever. I'm not sure. I'm trying to find out right now. So I can spin it like this. So that means the drive cups, differential drive cups, are good. Alright. See, individually they seem to be okay. There's definitely some really horrible grinding noise at the end. I had to stop running this. So I'm not really sure if there's another way to quickly check to see what the problem is without having to take everything apart, which I might have to do, which is unfortunate. I thought I could get a few runs out of this guy before I had to replace something, but it was definitely a great... Oh, okay, I see. Yep, definitely not the differential. The pinion got completely chewed up. Actually, one of the tooth, multiple tooth got chipped off. Wow, that's crazy. Holy crap! These are Mach 1 pinions. How are they? I mean, I just ran it on 4S too. How do they get chewed up like that? That is crazy. Holy crap! Let me just quickly inspect my spur gear. Spur gear looks good. All the teeth are there. No chips there. No chipping. Everything looks good. The pinion got destroyed, which is kind of the good news, right? That's probably the cheapest and the easiest gear to replace. I do have some RPM Mach 1 gears. I should have plenty. Okay, so I mean that's good news. Should be able to get this fixed up, back up and running soon. I just want to show you what I installed last night. I didn't expect to install it, but couldn't wait. Install the GPM servo mount. Got this guy on eBay, shipped from Hong Kong. Took, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. That's fine. I was waiting for my Outcast anyway. The little plastic servo mount, it's just horrible. It flexes so much. You know, I read up about it. I just couldn't believe it when I saw it in person. The whole thing just sways back and forth. So I got the GPM one installed. Much cheaper than what is it? A GKA custom part. What were the other options? A hot raising. Anyway, that was the cheapest option. I think I paid 11 or 12 bucks. Comes with looks like stainless steel hardware. So a couple of washers. It was a pretty good deal. So I got that replaced. Definitely the flex. There's no more flex on the servo mount, but see all these little rubber pieces I have in between. So there's still some flexing there. The stock servo is pretty torquey, 15 kg, I believe. Not bad at all, and actually moves these big tires fairly well. So I'm pretty surprised how well I heard about it. I just seeing in action just really surprises me how the stock servo can be fairly decent and is waterproof as well. So got the servo mount in there. That's definitely the first mod you should do when you get an Outcast. A lot of people replace the chassis braces, the front and the rear, with the aluminum ones. I'm just gonna stick with the plastic for now. There's a couple of things I do want to upgrade. We'll definitely got to get the mud guard for majority of your 1/8 scale monster truck or trucky or whatever. You know, you're gonna run this guy on the dirt. It's gonna get very dirty. All the dirt gets kicked up in the back, and then over time, the dirt gets kind of kicked onto the, it's all baked onto the your dog bones, your shocks. Just makes it hard to clean. So I'm gonna try to buy myself some RPM mud guards for the Arrma trucks. I think they're only like $8 or $9 shipped, so not too bad. Gotta get that first. Gonna have to look for a bumper, either a T-bone racing bumper or the RPM bumper for Kraton. Definitely took quite a few nosedives today doing the jumps. Mostly were my fault. I just didn't correct it in mid-air, so it will take nosedives. So definitely put some little more protection up front. I have a Kraton rear T-bone racing bumper that I bet will fit. I'm not exactly sure if I need that. I mean, the wing did take a lot of abuse today when I do the jumps. Surprised it didn't break actually. So I could look into getting putting the Kraton T-bone bumper. I got it for my Hobby King Berserker, but decided not to put that on. Just gonna leave it. So maybe I'll use it on this guy. What else? Scrape off the mud there. There's a lot of mud. Scrape that stuff off. What else? I got the skip plate, so either I could mount the T-bone racing bumper or get the Mugen skip plate. Got 3 of these from the package. Last time I got this for my Berserker again. The mounting holes will fit exactly on the Arrmas, but there's no notch there, from your differential. This part here kind of sticks out a little bit, so if I want to fit this on there, I gotta grind some plastic away so it actually will sit flush on the surface. I may do that, but if I install the Kraton T-bone racing bumper, then I don't really have to. We'll figure it out. The body took a few hits today. Try to do backflips. I wasn't able to. I don't know, on 4S I guess it didn't have enough torque. Yeah, it looks like I did scrape off some of the paint here from a couple of landings today. Might clean this up and then put some Gorilla Tape over it or something like that. Make sure this body will last a little longer. His body's pretty thick. Yeah, it feels pretty nice. So that's that. Yeah, so definitely had a really fun, nice first run. I really enjoyed it. It's everything that you hear and read about on the web. It's all true. This guy is great. Just even without too much tuning, just right out of the box. It's pretty dialed in for bashing purposes. I don't think the previous owner did a lot of tweaking. Everything looks pretty stock. I do have a couple of spring options. The Techno ones that the previous owner included. I also have some Duratrax trucky, which I may try first to replace these short springs that comes factory that a lot of people complain about. So they bottom out pretty easily because the spring is about 5 mm too short. So just shaft boots came off. I'm gonna fix that. Got a lot of dirt in there. Probably remove it and clean it. So yeah, so let me get that pinion fixed up first, and look into swapping some springs, and definitely look forward. I'm not too worried about doing mods on this guy. I just want to run it the way, as is. This guy just still a lot of fun. So yep. So thanks for watching. We'll definitely get more video of the Outcast here.